Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to open this box. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I got the white dog! Yep, I got the white dog with hearts on its body. He's adorable. Is the condition used? Yep, I got the white dog with hearts on its body. So let's check and see if oh, I remember. I'm not going to go on eBay. No, I'm not going to go on eBay because it's a secret. Okay. Okay, so I got the white dog that has hearts on its body, and it barks and it plays music. He's adorable. Okay, and this one is made by Angel Toy. Here we go. Here's the one that I got. This white dog. So goodbye and have a good day.